Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your data model and relationships so filters behave predictably. This prevents unexpected exclusions. Next, open the Visualizations pane and expand the filters area to reveal report, page, and visual levels. Once done, choose the appropriate filter scope: report for global, page for contextual, visual for focused analysis, because scope determines impact. Make sure to keep the field list visible, so you can drag fields into the correct filter bucket and avoid rework later. You now drag the desired field into the filter bucket you selected. That action creates the filter card. Then pick the filter type: basic for simple includes, advanced for ranges, relative for time-based slicing, or top-N for ranking, because each type serves a different question. After choosing, set operators and values and click Apply or lock the filter if you need consistency across viewers. Make sure to use slicers for interactive filtering and sync them when you want repeated behavior across pages. You finish by refining filter logic and testing visuals to confirm outcomes. Compare a visual before and after changes to spot unexpected exclusions. Once satisfied, tidy the filter pane. You search to find cards, clear unused filters, and lock ones that should not change. If results look wrong, check relationships, table joins, filter hierarchy, and visual interactions, because a conflicting interaction often hides the issue. Finally, document key filters so you or others can reproduce the view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.